Hello guys, you're welcome once again to the channel. And previously we discussed on the array push, the array pop, the array on shift, the array sort, index of, and last index of method. You can check my previous video, so in case you missed that part of the tutorial series. Today we'll be discussing on the array includes method. Um, the array include method return true or false whenever it's being used, and what this method actually do is it search for a particular variable if it exists in our array. Now take for instance in this array which I'm having here on my code editor, I can search if a particular number exists in this very array, and the result this operation will return will either be a true or a false depending on what is being passed. Now take for instance, let me quickly show that on my code. So when I say my array dot includes, let me pass in any random number in here. Let me say do I have 66 in this number? And remember I told you this will return a particular to return a boolean variable, true or false. Let me store that in a variable called result. Let result equal to my array dot include 66. So quickly let me let me print that out on my screen. Let me print my result on the terminal. So when I run node array.js, so this is returning false because the number 66 is currently not in our array of my array. Now when I pass in any number which we currently have in the array list, let me pass in 2, and let me console log that again. We currently have 2, so I should be getting a true value on my screen. Yeah, so that is it, and it's returning true because we have the number 2 in our array. So this array method is very useful if you have very large array and you want to check quickly if a particular variable exists in the array, so that will scan through your array list for you and return a true if that number is in the array. And one thing about this array method is to return true if it comes across the first occurrence of the item being passed. Now take for instance, we have 2 here and we have 2 even at the later part of the array. So once the array come across this number 2 here, which is what we're searching for, it will short circuit and return the true, and it will return you a true value as a response. So that is all about the array includes method, and in the next video tutorial we will look at the array find and the find index of. Thank you for watching, and bye.